Gentlemen, I don't want to waste your time because after this video, you need to implement all the tips I am about to share with you. You're about to find out how to build a daily routine that will make you glow up in no time. I know you have heard this before, so I will make it quick. The perfect daily routine begins the night before, so ensure you start getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep. If not, all these tips won't be as effective. Wake up between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. This will maximize the productive time you have for the day. During this time, you should have a healthy breakfast, complete a 30-minute workout, shower, and self-care before heading out to school or work. Most of us have commitments such as school or work, which take up the majority of the day. This is where you need to dedicate your focus and energy, put everything you have into this, and you will be rewarded. The more you gain from school or work, the smarter and more attractive you will be in all areas of your life. Now that you had a productive day, it is time to have a relaxing and equally productive evening. When you get home, make yourself a healthy dinner and take an hour or so to relax and get everything in order. Once that is done, dedicate an hour of your time to leveling yourself up. Learn a new skill, read a book, or work on a personal goal or project. Over time, you will see an incredible amount of progress. Once your work is done, start planning for tomorrow and winding down. Aim to sleep between 10 p.m. and midnight. Doing this all week is not easy, so ensure you use your weekends to relax, hang out with friends, and meet all the obligations you may have. Try to maintain consistent sleep even on the weekends, and also set aside time for personal reflection. Gents, there you have it. Implement all these tips into your daily routine, and you will see a huge glow up in your self-confidence, ability, and appearance. If you want to find out how to glow up fast, watch this next video.